of Teachers and may include celebrations to honor them for their special contribution in a particular field area or the community in general. In India, the birthday of the second president, Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, who was a believer of education and was a well-known diplomat, scholar, the President of India and above all a teacher. 5th September is celebrated as Teachers' Day since 1962 as a mark of tribute to the contribution made by teachers to society. We as a whole have learned a lot from our teachers. Their lessons direct us at each phase of our life. They value the most in our life, and this is the motivation behind why we observe Teachers' Day, devoting them. It is a day to create the most encouraging bond between the teachers and the students. Today we are all assembled to celebrate the Teachers' Day. We are thankful to Almighty God giving us these brilliant teachers. So let's start with his lessons by Kiran.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين آمين صدق الله العظيم. I seek protection from the Satan, the rejected one. In the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful. Praise be to Allah, the cherisher and sustainer of the world, most gracious, most merciful. Master of the day of judgment, He do we worship and thank aid we seek. Show us the straight way, the way of those on whom Thou has restored the grace, and those whose portion is not wrath, and those who go not astray. Indeed, Allah is the Almighty.
I invite my fellow classmate Aisha to recite a beautiful poem on behalf of all the NHPS students.
Today seems special, like any random day. On this white piece of paper, a few thoughts I shall say. Allow me to express my sincerest appreciation. You play a big role in my evolving education. Teachers like you are far and few in between. Your positive outlook is like pastures of green. You always encourage me and go way beyond. For all your dedication, I thankfully respond. I know today is another normal and random day, but my gratitude and appreciation I just wanted to convey.
Thank you for such a beautiful poem. I really wish that it has touched the hearts of our loving teachers. I would like to invite my classmate Alvina for the ceremony of title representation. Thank you, Omema. Good afternoon, everyone. Our Honorable Headmistress Ma'am, Miss Kusum Ma'am, Miss Knowledgeable. You are like a knowledge lamp who always light up our lives with your wisdom. Thank you, ma'am. Mr. Manjata, Mr. Tough but fair. You are like a coconut, tough from outside and sweet from inside. Mr.
Arshad sir, Mr. Tech Guru. Mr. Tech Guru, we are thankful that you have given the knowledge of technology to us. Mr. Fakir Alam sir, Mr. IGS, you always teach to follow the right path. Thank you, sir. Miss Shireen ma'am, Miss Energetic. Miss Sarika ma'am, Miss Energetic. Miss Sarika ma'am, Miss Energetic. Your energy always encourages us to be more focused. Miss Shireen ma'am, Miss Lively, your beautiful smile make us feel happy. Thank you, ma'am. Miss Guruj ma'am, Miss Cheerful, your playful personality inspire us to learn with fun. Miss Pammy ma'am, Miss Nurturing, you are soft-spoken, Miss Nurtures us to learn more. Miss Uzma ma'am, Miss Perfectionist, you inspire us to practice more and more. Thanks a lot, ma'am. Miss Madhu ma'am, Miss Artist, your creativity makes to appreciate the beauty of life. Miss Tavish ma'am, Miss Orator, we are thankful that we can confidently speak. Miss Gulshan ma'am, Miss Cool-headed, your cool and calm behavior and your examples help us to understand easily. Miss Anna Obaid ma'am, Miss Enthusiastic, your scientific thinking inspire us to understand life practically. Miss Alsana ma'am, Miss Analytical, your numerical knowledge has made us life systematically. Thank you, ma'am. Miss Sophia ma'am, Miss Empathic, your helpful and problem solving nature inspire us to be helpful with each other. Mr. Adil sir, Mr. Knowledge Guide, you are like a true friend, like a book. Thank you, sir. Mr. Adnan sir, Mr. Mentor, you always take care of us like a trusted advisor. Miss Asma ma'am, Miss Perseverance, your wonderful teacher, your graceful personality inspires us to have the attitude of never give up. Thank you, Alvina. Now I would like to invite our headmistress Kusum ma'am. Please say something about students.
Good evening, all of you. I don't have words to express my feelings. This is first time I am addressing my students like this. The gift you have given to your teachers and making this day a memorable one. I don't have words, but the real gift you can give to your teachers, you can make them proud of yourself by achieving success in your life. That is the real gift you can give to your teachers. Your parents are your first teachers. Always remember this. Your mother, your father, they are your first teachers. Always remember them. And then comes teachers. And the real gift you can give to your teachers, you can have success. You can have success in different fields. Success means not money. पैसे के लिए नहीं वो करना है. If you are not a good human being, you are nothing. सबसे पहले आपको अच्छा इंसान बनना है. कितने भी बड़े हो जाए हम, कितने भी बड़े हो जाए, पैसा भी हमारे पास, अगर हम अच्छे इंसान नहीं है तो बाकी सारी चीजें बेकार हैं. प्रॉमिस कर रहे हैं सब लोग? You are having your exam from 6? उसके लिए बहुत अच्छे से प्रिपरेशन करनी है. All the best for your exam and that is the real gift. आपका रिजल्ट जो आएगा इस बार, वो हमारे लिए सबसे बड़ा गिफ्ट होगा. सब बहुत अच्छे से पढ़ाई करेंगे, ठीक है? And thank you for making this day a memorable event for all of us. Thank you, Veda. We honor all of you. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Now I would like to invite school representative Sara Miraj for the vote of thanks.
Thank you. I thank you for your helping hand, for your warm and tender heart, and for the opportunity to make a brand new start. I hold fast to tomorrow and treasure each passing day, never taking for granted that which can be taken away. I have learned to count my blessings, never dreading, and on the past and to build a brighter future with the knowledge from your class. You taught me to be confident. I could do it if I tried and taught me to have the courage to take everything in stride. You are such a wonderful teacher. For all it is plain to see, I just wanted to let you know how much you have meant to me. Thank you.
Good evening all of you. सबसे पहले तो I would like to thank my class 5th, जिसने ये पूरा प्रोग्राम ऑर्गेनाइज किया और हमारे लिए, सारे टीचर्स के लिए इस डे को मेमोरेबल बनाया. एज अ क्लास टीचर मैं बहुत तारीफ नहीं करती अपनी क्लास की, हमेशा यही कहती रहती हूँ बड़े शरारती बच्चे हैं, बहुत ज़्यादा सताते हैं, इनडिसिप्लिन रहते हैं. पर आज उन्होंने ये साबित करा कि बच्चे बच्चे ही होते हैं, जब वो कुछ करने लगते हैं तो वो अपने आप को हमेशा प्रूव कर देते हैं. तो क्लास 5 ने भी प्रूव कर दिया कि वो बहुत अच्छे से अपना पूरा प्रोग्राम ऑर्गेनाइज कर सकते हैं, टीचर्स के लिए कुछ कर सकते हैं. तो सबसे ज़्यादा तो थैंक यू वेरी मच. और एज अ टीचर एक गुरु जो है वो कुम्हार की तरह होता है और जो स्टूडेंट होता है, शिष्य होता है, वो एक घड़े की तरह होता है, बर्तन की तरह होता है, जिससे जो है कुम्हार जो है वो अंदर हाथ सहार के बाहर वाले चोट, यानी बाहर से वो चोट ज़रूर मारता है लेकिन अंदर से बच्चे को लगातार या उस बर्तन को सहारा देता रहता है ताकि वो अपनी शेप ले सके, अपने आप में एक अच्छा बर्तन बन सके और आगे आके समाज के लिए काम आ सके. तो वही काम गुरु का होता है. बाहर से थोड़ा स्ट्रिक्ट होते हैं, कभी कभी ज़्यादा भी हो जाते हैं, लेकिन लगातार बच्चों को वो अंदर हाथ से सहारा देते रहते हैं ताकि वो अपना शेप ले सकें, अपने आप में कामयाब हो सके और आगे जाके अपनी फैमिली के लिए, अपने लिए और आगे सोसाइटी के लिए, अपने समाज के लिए यूजफुल बन सके. तो इसी तरह सारे टीचर्स हैं, सभी टीचर्स आपके साथ प्यार से भी रहते हैं, थोड़े स्ट्रिक्ट भी होते हैं, एग्जाम टाइम पर आपको बहुत कुछ कहते भी हैं, लेकिन उन सब के पीछे उनका जो उद्देश्य होता है वो सिर्फ और सिर्फ अपने बच्चों की भलाई होता है. कहता है, लगता है आपको? रियलाइज करते हैं आप ये बात? या बुरा मानते हैं कि आज बहुत अच्छा दिन है टीचर्स के लिए। वैसे तो हमारे लिए टीचर डे रोज ही होता है, हमारा काम ही है, बट आज आप लोग हमें बताते हो कि एज अ टीचर होकर हम कहाँ पहुँचे और कहाँ तक आए। तो आपने जो कुछ किया उसके लिए थैंक यू। बाकी सारे जितने बच्चे यहाँ बैठे हैं, जो भी मेरे स्टूडेंट्स हैं जिन्हें मैं पढ़ा रही हूँ, बाकी टीचर्स पढ़ा रहे हैं, उन सब के भी थैंक यू। और जैसे मैम ने कहा है 6 से एग्ज़ाम है, फर्स्ट एग्ज़ाम हिंदी का ही है मैम, क्लास 5 में। ऑल द बेस्ट। तो मेरे लिए सबसे बड़ा गिफ्ट यही होगा कि आप बहुत